If you are a member of Sarah's Walking Club on Facebook, then you know that Largo Central Park Nature Preserve is the hottest spot right now. So why is everybody coming here? Take a look. First things first, there's Largo Central Park and Largo Central Park Nature Preserve. They're less than a mile apart and both off of East Bay Drive. Unlike preserves elsewhere, this one has amenities. I'm talking restrooms, a pavilion, even a little free library, which needs some love, by the way, so please drop off books. From the parking lot, take a left to get to the most popular feature, this boardwalk around the lake. This is the reason I came here, because I've seen so many photos in the Sarah's Walking Club Facebook group about a mama alligator. After a couple laps, I happened to spot her, just chillin'. I could just sit and watch her all day. Don't leave without checking out the boardwalks through the woods to the observation tower and the paved paths. This is a great place for birders, by the way. Over 130 species have been spotted here. Okay, I am back in my messy car. I had a great time at Largo Central Park Nature Preserve. Highly recommend visiting, okay? If you want other ideas, other hot tips about parks around the Bay Area, subscribe to this channel and also join Sarah's Walking Club on Facebook.